हेलो ऑल आई होप मेरा वॉइस ऑडिबल है एंड प्लीज़ मुझे बताना कि मैं इंग्लिश में करूँ पूरा एक्सप्लेन या हिंदी में करूँ इफ़ एवरीवन इज़ अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिंदी तो मैं हिंदी में कर लेता हूँ पूरा। चैट में बताना गाइस किस में करना है, इंग्लिश में करना है, हिंदी में करना है, सो दैट आई कैन एक्सप्लेन। Yes, I'll be explaining each and every step starting from the email which you have received till the points which you have to claim and what all you have to do in the entire arcade program. ओके, सो आई होप मेरा स्क्रीन भी विजिबल है। ओके ओके ग्रेट। मैं आई यूज both the languages so it is very visible for everyone to understand. So let's start quickly. So first I'll start with how to enroll in the program because there are many students who have still not enrolled yet. So I'll start. uh, yes, sorry for the inconvenience and let's continue. So how to enroll in the program, I'll start from there. So if you go to this home tab, here you will see enroll in the program. Just have to click here. Then this is the page which comes, which has a one Google form which you have to fill it out. So this is the Google form. Let me open it out for you. So this is the Google form, and here you will see what all things. Some things are there. You have to read this. You have to go to next. Scroll down and do that. I accept this terms and conditions. Go to next. Then if you scroll down here, you will find details. So make sure that here in this email address column, you mention the same email address which you were signed in. So I'm signed in with this email. I have to mention this email only here. So if you mention any other email, the registration, the congratulations mail will come to other email. So that will be again a mistake. So make sure you mention that email correctly. Your full name, it should be proper, and gender you have to select, country you have to select. This still doesn't matter because for the swags delivery again the address will be taken. So what identifies you the best, you have to mention that. And for the referral code, as of now this referral code it is not taking, it is giving some error. See, if you see here that the referral code seats are full. So because many students have registered using our referral code, so these seats are full, but still we will work on this and we'll get a new referral code for you. You have to select the year of graduation whichever suits you, and if you have an cloud skill boost profile, you have to just click on either of these two, or you don't have, then you have to click no, I want to create one. It will give you steps how to create the skill boost profile. If you have the profile, you have to click on yes, I already have an account, go to next, and it will ask you to enter the cloud boost skill profile public profiles. How to make a public profile, that also I'll show you because many students are facing that issue. So you have to click on that cloud skill boost. You, instead of this link, you have to just mention slash profile. If I give their profile, it will take me to this page. If you see this page, page is having your profile is public and is accessible at this link. So this link is your public profile link, and if you're not able to see this, you must be seeing that make your profile public. So as of now my profile is already public, so that is why it is showing this entire thing. But when you open the account for the first time, it will show you that your profile is private only. So you have to make your profile public, and then you have to copy this link. This is the link which is the public profile link. And if you want to check this link, you have to just copy this. For example, copy this, open a new tab, paste it out, and see what is opening. If that is opening correctly, it is going to the same page, then that means your link is correct. If it is not going to the same page, it is giving you some error, then that means that your public profile link is wrongly copied. So you have to make sure that this page is coming if you are trying to open it in a new tab. Now I'll close this for now. So you have to fill these details in the next page, and that's it. Nothing else you have to fill it here. So that's all for the enrollment page. For the next one is once you submit this form by 24 hours or after 24 hours, you will get this email. So this email is a confirmation email that congratulations, you are enrolled in the program, and there will be few details here, and there will be some steps to get the 60 free credits. So what is this 600, sorry, 600 free credits? So what is the 600 free credits used for? So this 600 credits will be used to complete various things in the program. So before we used to get a subscription, but now they have given credits directly. So how to claim that credits? Here if you see, there are all these steps are written how to claim it. I'll show one by one. So a very important step is you have to open this in incognito window. You have to right click here, go to incognito window. I'll just switch to my incognito window. So once I go to this incognito window, there will be this dialog box which comes. You don't have to enter details wrongly. You have to make sure that you enter your code properly. So I'll copy my code. My code is written in my email. So if you go to your email, there is a second point in which it is mentioned that put this unique access code. So whatever is in bold after that, you have to copy that and make sure you paste it here. So for example, for me it is like this. I've pasted it. Click on this box. Mm, just solve the captcha quickly and verify yourself. So once this is verified, click on submit. So once you submit this, you don't have to do anything here. You have to just sign in. So once this will ask, click on sign in, or either sign in with your email, phone, whatever it is. So I am signing in with my email. So once this is signed in, you have to do the next steps. Make sure you sign in after entering your access code. So this is giving me some credits expiring notification. So I'll just dismiss this. For you, it will not give. So now I have signed in. I can see my account here, but there are some credits if you see. But if your account is new, you won't see that much credits. But if you see, 9 credits has been credited at this time currently for on April 2nd. So you will see either 9 credits here if your account is new. So my account is old, so I am seeing more credits here. What you have to do next is you have to just check your credits if you got this 9 credits. If you have got 9 credits, go ahead and open this lab. So this is basically a introductory lab which will give you 600 credit points. So for that you have to complete this lab. How to complete this lab? In the same way there are multiple labs in the entire program. This is one such lab. What is a lab? It will consist of few questions like this and few tasks like this. Task one something is there, but it will consist of all these steps what you have to do. For example, here it is given that if I start this lab, it will give me this particular instance with username, password, and there will be sometime project ID. So what I have to do, I have to open Google Cloud Console and sign in with the credentials what I get it. So I in here if you see all the steps are mentioned one by one. This is the task 2. Again, it will be entirely step based and you have to follow these steps and complete those. So as of now, I'll just start the lab. So make sure you start this lab once you get this 9 credits. Do not start the lab until and unless you get this 9 credits. So in case you have not got the 9 credits after doing that step, make sure you refresh the page, refresh and check this again if you got 9 credits. If you didn't get still you are not getting this 9 credits, then close this incognito window, go back to your email and again do that steps like I showed you. So once you have opened this, once this lab is started, you have to open this cloud console. So just open this. You can either use the same window or you can use any incognito window. So what I'll do, I'll copy this username, paste it here. Whatever details are there given here, you have to log in with the same credentials. So I'm just signing into the cloud console. So once this sign in is completed, what I have to do next? You have to just skip these questions as of now. These questions are not required. So the one most important thing in this in all the labs you have to see is this score point. This should be 100 out of 100. At the start it will be 0 out of 100, but later you have to make sure that you complete these two. Whatever is mentioned here, you have to complete this and make sure your progress is 100 out of 100. So as of now, I'll go directly to the steps, what gives me points. So this is one thing which I have to complete. So once my Google Cloud Console is logged in, I'll show that steps as well. So I'm logged in here, and what I have to do is I have to go to this IAM. I am an admin. Go to IAM, copy this particular identifier email, and you have to give permissions to that ID. How you have to give it? Go to grant access. It might be sometimes slow because many people are using the cloud scale boost platform. So make sure you have patience and do the steps. So go to new principal, paste it, and make sure you paste the entire thing. Don't forget to mention this, paste this at the rate quicklabs.net. You have to paste the entire thing. Select a role, viewer. This is already written in the steps and save it. So once you save it, if you see it is mentioned here that click on viewer. So once this is done, you have to check your progress. So this you can see it is completed. So now skip all this. This is not required, and you have to do this step. You have to enable APIs. So go here, type on this search bar have to type Dialogflow API and search this out. Once you search this out, you will get various options, out of which you have to select the first option. So this one, if you see API, this is the one you have to select. Open this. And click on enable. So once you click on enable, it will take some few seconds and it will be enabled. So once that is done, you have to again click on check my progress. Sometimes it might show that please enable the Dialogflow API, but I've already enabled, but it is not completed yet. That is why it is giving me this error message. So wait until that this is enabled. So this, you can see now it is enabled. So if I again do my check my progress, now it is completed. So how to check if all these steps are completed? This is the way. Here if you see at the start it was showing 0 out of 100, now it is showing 100 out of 100. So once this is done, make sure that at least you spend 6 minutes here. At the start it was 45 minutes. We will again spend 1 more minute and we'll end this lab. So spend at least 6 minutes. Even if you complete these steps before 6 minutes, spend at least 6 minutes in the lab, and then only end the lab. Till then, I'll take some questions up. So referral code. As I said, I am in contact with the Google Cloud team, and they will be sharing something new, and I'll share that in the community chat. Uh, हाँ, इनकॉग्निटो में ही सारे लैब्स करने हैं, दैट इज सजेस्टेड, बिकॉज बहुत बार क्या होता है कि वो तुम्हारे दूसरे ईमेल आईडीज लॉग्ड इन होते हैं ब्राउज़र में, एंड उसके वजह से वो सिंक इन हो जाता है अपने लैब में भी. तो मेक अपना अपना लैब जो होता है इसमें यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट दिस आईडी इज ओनली लॉग्ड इन विच एवर इज गिवन. इट शुड नॉट बी लॉग्ड इन विद दिस ईमेल आईडी. सो वो इसलिए हम इनकॉग्निटो यूज करते हैं. आगे का टास्क आई विल शो हाउ टू डू. सो एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम एंडिंग this lab. So as 6 minutes have passed, I am ending this. You can cancel it or you can give this some reviews, and then I'll go here. I'll click on credits. So I'm just refreshing the page to see if the credits are credited. So as you can see here, 600 credits have been credited. So I did nothing. I just completed the lab, and 600 credits are here. I hope सबको समझा है ये 600 क्रेडिट्स कैसे मिलेंगे. इफ अभी भी किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो पूछ सकते हो चैट में. I'll wait for 1 more minute if कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो. हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ आगे क्या करना है. वंस यू गेट दो 600 क्रेडिट्स आई विल शो कि क्या करना है आगे. अगर किसी को कुछ और क्वेरीज है, कुछ डाउट है तो वो बताना चैट में, नहीं तो आई विल गो अहेड. ठीक है, किसी को कुछ क्वेरीज रहेगा तो पूछ लेना. मैं क्विकली जाता हूँ कि क्या करना है तुम्हें प्रोग्राम में. You have to log out. No, you don't have to log out. You can stay logged in. तो कोई इशू नहीं है. नहीं, सारे labs इतने easy नहीं होते. You have to work on the labs. So I'll quickly show what all things you have to do. So if you go to this website link is already given in the description. If you go to the description of the channel, there will be syllabus for the program, and you'll find this link there. So what all things you have to do here? It will be mentioned here properly. So there are every month six new arcade games are launched. So for April month also there are six arcade games which are launched, and it will be six more arcade games which will be launched in May month. So what you have to complete here, if you see for April it is level 1, level 2, level 3, base camp and certification zone, and there is one special monthly game. So these are the six monthly games which comes on in every month. So out of the arcade facilitator program also you can complete this games and can earn points. But what is the benefit of the arcade facilitator program is you get additional bonus points. So based on how many games you complete, you get additional bonus points. So in the same way, there are trivias as well. So trivia has four trivias every week. So there is week one, week two, week three, and week four. In each week, there will be one trivia game. So these are the four trivias. For each week, one trivia will be activated, and it will have the access code. So for week one, now the access code has been given. For week two, if you see, there is no access code. So this will come in the week 2 of April. So for week 1 you have to complete this one trivia game and these four arcade games, and ये जो certification zone है this will come later. April month special game, this will also come later. But what is the main thing about this special game is special monthly game, this will give you two arcade points, and other than this these four arcade games will give you one arcade point. In the same way, trivias are there, and in 2 months facilitator program you will have total of 8 trivia game badges. So in April month you have 4, in again May month you will have again 4. So these trivia also will give you some points, some arcade points, and these are the few labs which are there, skill badges which we call it. So these are few basic beginner level. So these are just easy ones. You can complete this very fast, and again there are few more are there here as well. So as you go ahead in this program, in the skill badges labs, all these labs, the difficulty level gets increased. So what all things you have to complete in as of now? If I quickly go to the point system, so if you see, each game will give you one arcade point, and each trivia will give you one arcade point. And for every two skill badge you complete, you'll be awarded uh, one arcade point. These skill badges are those which I showed you at the last, which has three different level: beginner level, advanced level, and three different levels. Not sure of the third level was which it was. So each game will give you one arcade point. Trivia will give you again one arcade point, and two skill badges will give you one arcade point. So these are the ways which you in which way you have to gain this arcade points. So how do you what you'll do with this arcade points is, based on this arcade points you will gain milestones. So if you see, there are some bonus points added here. So for example, milestone one, you have to complete any four arcade games, any four trivia games, and 10 skill badges, plus any four provided lab free courses. So you have to complete any of these, and how many points you will get? For four arcade games will get 4 points, for trivia games will give you 4 points, 10 skill badges will give you 5 points. So in total this will become 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13. So this is 13 arcade points, plus you'll get additional 2 bonus points if you complete this. And this four arcade games whatever is mentioned here, this is for 2 months, not for only April month. This will be April plus May. So same way it is milestone 2, milestone 3, and ultimate milestone. So based on whatever you complete whatever number of games you complete, whatever number of trivia games and skill badges, all these total you complete, you get total arcade points. And based on this total arcade points and the milestone you achieved, you'll get bonus points. So if you see, every milestone has different bonus points. Got it? I hope everything is clear. And still, if you have any questions regarding all these points, how points are calculated, what to do, you can ask in the chat. And how to join this, I'll show that also, how to join any game. So just click on this any of the game, click on open link in new tab, copy this access code. So with this access code only you will be able to start that game. So this is opened and you have to click on join this game. So after clicking here, you have to mention that access code, what is mentioned below this. Each game will have some access code, and with that only you will join this game. So click on join. So you have joined level 1. So once I have joined here, what you have to do, you have to complete these labs. If you see, there are four different sections here. So you have to complete all the sections. In first section, I can see 7 different labs, and this is the time which is given here. So you have to complete these labs. All the steps are mentioned in the lab. Again, you have to complete these labs and this 3 labs. आई होप सारे क्वेश्चंस क्लियर हो गए। और फिर भी अभी अगर कुछ डाउट्स है तो पूछ सकते हो चैट में। और अगर पूरा डिटेल वीडियो चाहिए कि कैसे लैब्स कंप्लीट कर, तो आई विल ट्राई कि मैं मैक्सिमम लैब्स का बना पाऊँ। बट स्टिल आई मैं अगर ज़्यादा लोगों को किसी लैब में क्वेश्चंस आ रहे तो आई मेक द वीडियो कि हाउ टू कंप्लीट दैट लैब। So as of now, you have to complete level 1 game, level 2 game, level 3 game, and the fourth one. So as of now, you have to complete these 4 games, base camp, and these 4 games. So once you complete these 4 games and one trivia as of this first week, you are eligible to get that milestone 1. So in the milestone 1, as you saw, there were 4 arcade games and trivia games. So the thing is, you have to complete maximum games, because what happens is games are only available for each month, but trivias are available for entire 1 week. Make sure you don't miss the trivia of any week, because this trivias are very important if you want to achieve any milestone. So I hope I was clear enough कि क्या करना है प्रोग्राम में और कैसे पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे। तो अगर किसी को वो समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो ये देख सकते हो कि एक लेवल 1 के लिए कितना मिलेगा, लेवल 2 के लिए कितना मिलेगा, ट्रिविया के लिए कितना मिलेगा, देन स्किल बैच के लिए कितना मिलेगा। सो एक और चीज़ है इसमें कि इसमें बोनस पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं अगर फ्री लैब कोर्सेज करेंगे तो। सो यहाँ पे मेंशन भी है कि इफ़ यू कंप्लीट 2 स्पेशल गेम्स यू कैन अर्न 15 आर्केड पॉइंट्स। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ 13 आर्केड पॉइंट्स यू कैन अर्न 15 आर्केड पॉइंट्स। सो यहाँ पे 2 बोनस पॉइंट्स का भी दिया हुआ है, तो ये भी यू कैन अर्न। यहाँ पे भी दिया है 8 bonus points. Again, for each milestone there will be some bonus points, so that also you can earn. So this is optional, you can either earn it or skip it. After earning these milestones, so once you for example, if you have achieved the ultimate milestone, you must have seen in the community that people are, or LinkedIn, that people are posting regarding that they have achieved ultimate milestone. So based on milestones you get swags. So based on this total arcade points you earn swags. So each swags are defined for each milestone. So you have to earn more and more arcade points to earn many swags. So for example, in milestone 1, if you see there are less points, so there will be less swags. Again, in milestone 2, little more points, so little more swags. So based on arcade points, the swags are increased. Yes, you have to do all the labs in incognito window only. Utkarsh, you can go behind and check the video. BMJ अगर क्रेडिट्स नहीं क्रेडिट हुए तो यू कैन फॉलो द स्टेप्स अगेन, वो क्रेडिट हो जाएंगे. uh, Priyanshu, that might be a glitch, but it is 45 minutes only. I hope सब सब कुछ क्लियर होगा. स्टिल अगर किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चंस है तो विल हैव जूम कनेक्ट्स एवरी वीकेंड, सैटरडे और संडे. तो वहाँ पे यू कैन आस्क योर क्वेश्चंस वॉट एवर इफ यू आर फेसिंग एनी डिफिकल्टीज, एंड you can post your questions in the chat. And if you're not joined into the queries group queries group, this is link is there in the description. You can join in from there. Okay, thank you all for joining.